Good morning, Standard 10. In the previous videos, I was discussing about the chapter remainder and factor theorem. In the in the last 2-3 videos, the remainder theorem that is already finished. In the last videos, I was discussing about the basic concept of factor theorem, and you have seen some problems based on factor theorem. Today we will also see some more problems based on factor theorem. Now see. Factor theorem, the problems based on factor theorem. Now see the problems that is different from the previous videos. Given that x minus 2 and x plus 1 are factors of x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b, calculate the values of a and b. This type of questions we have already solved in the remainder theorem, but in that case remainder is there. Now this time it is factor is there. Factor is there, it means if you are dividing fx by x minus 2, it will be completely divisible and gives the remainder 0. And again, if the same polynomial is divided by x plus 1, again it will gives the remainder 0 because it is a factor. Now see the solution. The given polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b having factor x minus 2 and x plus 1. So when we are dividing fx by x minus 2, it gives the remainder 0. So find the zeros of x minus 2. If equating with x minus 2 is 0, then x is equal to minus 2, transfer this side, plus 2. Now if it is a factor, then it gives the remainder 0. And how will find the remainder? By putting instead of x 2, here 2, here 2, here 2, here 2. Now see, 2 cube 3 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b is equal to 0. The cube of 2, 8. The cube of the square of 2, 4 3s are 12. 2 into 8, 2a plus b is equal to 0. So 2a plus b, 12 plus 8, 20 plus 20 taking this side minus 20. Again, the same polynomial, it means this fx is a factor of x plus 1. So find the zeros of x plus 1. X plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. Now again it will gives the remainder 0. It means f minus 1. Here now you will take the minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 cube, 3 into minus 1 to the power 2, a into minus 1 plus b. See, the cube of minus 1, the square of minus 1, plus 1, and plus minus minus a. So 3 ones are 3, minus a plus b, plus 3 and minus 1, plus 2 and plus 2 taking this side minus 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2. Now say, solving equation 1 and 2 we get. Why we are solving the equation? Because their coefficients are same. Now see the coefficient of b. The coefficient of b is are same. So equation first is written same. The equation second is same. But we cannot cancel both the b because their sign are same. So try to change the sign. For changing the sign, subtract. On subtracting, the negative terms becomes positive, the positive terms becomes negative, and the negative terms becomes positive. Now this will be cancelled. 2a and this is plus 1a, that will is a plus 3a, and minus 20 and plus 2, that is minus 18, and this minus 18 cancelled by 3, that is minus 6. So the value of a, it will be minus 6. Now substitute this value in any equation and we will get the value of b. So the equation 2 is minus a plus b is equal to minus 2. So instead of a, we are putting minus 6 here, plus b is equal to minus 2. So this minus minus plus 6 plus b is equal to minus 2. So b is equal to minus 2, and this plus 6 we are taking this side minus 6, and minus 6 and minus 2, that is minus 8. Hence the value of a is minus 6 and the value of b is minus 8. Now see the another problem. Find the value of a. Find the value of a if x minus a is a factor of this. We are going to find the value of a because in the polynomial a is there and x minus a is a factor. So if it means if we're dividing this polynomial by x minus a, it gives the remainder 0. So first we have to find the zeros of this divisor. So x minus a is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to minus a, taking this side plus a. So now putting here a, and equate with 0. Now see, it gives the remainder 0. putting a and equated with 0. Now a cube plus a plus 2 is equal to 0. This will be cancelled. A plus 2 is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 2. Hence this will be the answer. Now see, what must be subtracted from this polynomial so that the resulting expression has 2x plus 1 as a factor. This type of question we had already seen in the problem based on remainder theorem. In that case, some remainders are there, but now it is a factor is there. What we have to subtract on dividing the polynomial, the resulting expression has a factor. So let the required number subtracted be k. It means from this polynomial we will subtract k and having factor this. So equate with, find the 0 of this. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So it gives the remainder how much? 0, because it is a factor. So f minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. See, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Solve it. 16, the cube of minus 1, and the cube of 2, 8, minus 8, the cube of minus 1, that is plus 1, and the square of minus 1, that is 1, and the square of 2, that is 4, and this minus plus minus, and 4 into 1 by 2 plus 7 minus k is equal to 0. 8 2s are 16, 2 minus 1s are minus 2, 4 2s are 8, and 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, plus 7 minus k is equal to 0. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, that is minus 8 plus 7 minus k is equal to 0. Sorry, minus 6 plus 7 and k transferring this side. Minus 2 I think 3 times. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, that is minus 6. So 0 plus k, that is k, and plus minus minus 7 minus 6, that is 1. Hence 1 must be subtracted from the given expression, so the resulting will be a factor. Now see one more problem. This problem is little bit different. This problem is proving based question and the showing based question. If x plus a is a common factor of expression fx and gx, the two different polynomials are here. The first polynomial is this and second polynomial is this, and both the polynomials having same factor x plus a, and we have to show that this. It means actually what we are going to show, the value of a, it should be n minus q by m minus p. It is given fx and gx having common factor x plus a. So x, find the 0 of x plus a. X plus a is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to minus a. So on dividing this polynomial by x plus a, it gives the remainder 0. So x is equal to minus a. So we are putting here minus a, minus a, minus a, minus a, minus a. The square of minus a plus a square plus minus minus ap plus q is equal to 0. Again the same polynomial divided by this and gives the remainder 0, because the common factor, because the factor. In case of factor, the remainder is 0. So g minus a is equal to 0. Now we are putting here minus a, here minus a. So a square minus am plus n is equal to 0. Now equate the equation 1 and 2, because their RHS part are same, or you can say both are the same common factor. It means both the case remainders are 0. Then we can equate the equation 1 and 2. On equating equation 1 and 2, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So same term in opposite side will be cancelled, minus ap and minus am transferring this side plus am, n plus q this side minus q. So a is the common, minus p plus m, n minus q. So a m minus p is equal to n minus q. A is equal to n minus q by m minus p. This is our required term. So in next class we will see some more problems, especially factorization of cubic polynomial. So one more important information for all of you for class 10, try to complete your chapters whatever till now I am taught. It means try to complete the exercises. It means till now I am taught. Now you can see the content. I think I had already taught banking, So try to complete the banking, all the exercises and examples. Linear inequation, all the exercises and example. Quadratic equation, what problems based on quadratic equation, ratio and proportion, and remainder and factor theorem. It means start from the beginning. It means from April, whatever I had taught till now, try to finish it in your fair copy, in your separate copy, nicely and neat and clean. It should be written, exercise and example both, and try to and it is compulsory to submit all of you standard 10A, 10B and 10C in school on the date 13th of July this month. It means next Monday, and the timing is in the morning 9 to 10. In the school you have to go to your parents will go and submit your copy, and we will correct it, and after we will give the information. After 2-3 days we will return your copy. This is the preparation for your exam, for first term exam, and whatever till now I am taught, that will be the portion of your first term exam. So this is the preparation for exam. Try to complete your copy. Thank you very much. All the best.